Hey innovators! Welcome again to a thrilling journey of creating AI art for t-shirts and selling them online in less time than it takes to enjoy a coffee. Initially, we used DALL-E 3 through ChatGPT Plus to generate AI art. You can use the same or other tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, etc. Now, proceed to explore GPTs on ChatGPT Plus. Search for Canva, then open Canva GPT. After uploading the art we've just created, request a t-shirt design with it. It will provide us with templates and links, allowing us to go to Canva and customize those templates according to our needs. From Canva, we can upload the design created using DALL-E 3, edit the text, add a frame in the middle to replace the sample picture from Canva, and then drag and drop our AI-designed art onto the frame. Additionally, we used a completely free online tool called Adobe Express Background Remover to remove the black background from the AI art, leaving only the brain. This step is optional, not mandatory. After background removal, there were small edges on the right side of the brain. Hence, we used Canva's magic eraser tool to perfect it. We then downloaded the designed images, keeping the background transparent because a PNG format, which supports transparent backgrounds, is required for any t-shirt design. Subsequently, we signed up on Redbubble.com with an appropriate store name and other details, as it is one of the platforms that allow us to sell our designs on a print-on-demand basis. From there, we selected Add Designs under Create Products, clicked on Upload New Work, and uploaded our downloaded transparent PNG design. We then named it, provided a brief description, and added some tags. We enabled the products we wish to sell with our design and saved the changes. In the settings, we updated our information, payment receiving method, etc. If you wish to change the default price of the product, you need to adjust your profit margin by clicking on Edit, then Settings, make the changes, and Apply Changes. That's how you can make money with your AI-generated art. It's not complicated, it's straightforward. Watch the video twice, and it will all be clear to you. Thank you for joining me on this amazing journey. Until next time, keep innovating.